Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you are fine and happy. The process of midterm examination has been completed successfully. Now we will start remaining lectures of this semester. Here I have shared theorem number 2 of cluster sampling. When the clusters are of unequal size, the size of cluster proportional to the probability of the selection of a cluster is proportional to the size of cluster. The statement of theorem is given as: if a sample of n unit is drawn with probability proportional to zi means that is the size of cluster, with replacement and unbiased estimate variance of y hat ppz greater than equal to greater than 1, then the estimate variance of y hat ppz is equal to 1 over small n into capital N, 1 over small n into n minus 1, I varies from 1 to n yi over zi minus y hat divided by y hat into ppz whole square. That is, we have to prove that expected value of variance of y hat ppz is equal to variance of y hat ppz. That is, variance of y hat ppz is an unbiased estimate of variance of y hat ppz. The derivation of this theorem is given here by the algebraic identifications. We may written as I varies from 1 to n yi over zi minus y hat ppz whole square is equal to I varies from 1 to small n yi over zi minus y plus y minus y hat ppz whole square. Here we have add and subtract capital Y, that is total of the population values. Now here we have take complete square of this expression y over zi minus y whole square plus y hat ppz minus y whole square minus 2 into y hat ppz minus y into yi divided by zi minus y होल के ऊपर समीशन अप्लाई होगा. Now we have apply summation on each term, because here both terms y hat ppz and minus y is a constant value, so here summation will not apply. Summation is replaced by small n, and here now consider this equation as equation number A. Now take I varies from 1 to small n y over zi minus y, that is the last term of equation number A, is equal to sum of I varies from 1 to n y over zi minus n yz. After making some simplification which I have explained here in this expression, y hat ppz is equal to 1 over n I varies from 1 to n y over zi, and n y hat is equal to sum of I varies from 1 to n y over zi, multiply both sides by small n, and consider this equation. This is equation as equation number B. Here is missing the number of this equation. The number of this equation is equation number B. Now come down. In equation number B, put the value of n y hat ppz is equal to I varies from 1 to n yi over zi in equation number B. In equation number B, sum of I varies from 1 to n yi over zi minus ny is I varies from 1 to n yi over zi will replace by small n into y hat ppz. This is replaced by this. Taking n common, and it is equal to, here will be a sign, will use equal, not this one. It is equal to n, take n common, n into y hat ppz minus ny. Here is the n, this n is also written mistakenly. It will become n into y hat ppz minus y, and bracket close. Put this value in equation number A. We have this equation, which is equal to sum of yi over zi minus y hat ppz. You can see it from equation number A, that is equal to this one. This one equation is equal to sum of I waves from 1 to n yi over zi minus y hat ppz whole square. So sum of yi over zi minus y hat ppz whole square is equal to sum of I waves from 1 to n yi over zi minus y whole square minus n times y hat ppz minus y whole square. Apply expectation on both sides. Here we have applied expectation on left hand side and right hand side, and expected value of y hat ppz minus y whole square is equal to variance of y hat ppz. It will become variance of y hat ppz. Remaining terms will be same. We achieve this equation. Now apply new variate ti in first term on right hand side. Here we have applied expected value of ti. When we apply ti, that is ti, the value of ti will be 1 if it is in the sample, and ti is equal to 0 when it is not in a sample. So I waves from 1 to small n can be replaced by I waves from 1 to capital N, taking all observations of the population, and which are not in the sample, they will be excluded, because in place of ti here will be 0. Now sum of I varies from 1 to n. Ti may be replaced as expected value of ti, which follows a multinomial distribution. In multinomial distribution, expected value of ti is equal to nzi. Now expected value of I varies from 1 to n. Expected value of yi over zi minus y hat ppz is equal to n into summation I waves from 1 to capital N zi yi over zi minus y whole square minus n into variance of y hat ppz. It is now, as variance of y hat ppz is equal to 1 over n sum of I waves from 1 to capital N zi yi yi over zi minus y whole square. Now multiply, divide by n first term in right hand side. This equal to this one, and it is the term in this bracket is exactly equal to the above term, which is equal to variance of y hat ppz. So we may replace it y hat ppz. Here I have replaced it by variance of y hat ppz, n square variance of y hat ppz minus nv, and variance of y hat ppz, or it has become taking common variance of y hat ppz, it is become n into small n minus 1 variance of y hat ppz. Divide on both sides, small n into small n minus 1. It has become this expression. We know that variance of y hat ppz is equal to 1 over small n into small n minus 1 sum of I varies from 1 to capital N yi over zi minus y hat ppz whole square. Now taking expectations on both sides, expected value of variance of y hat ppz is equal to 1 over small n into small n minus 1 sum of I varies from 1 to n expected value of y over zi minus y hat ppz whole square. It is also equal to small n. I varies from 1 to n because it is the expectations sample variance. Therefore, expected value of y hat ppz is equal to variance of y hat ppz because this term is equal to variance of y hat ppz. This term when we have take I varies from 1 to small n. That is. Now down the slide we have arrived our derivation expected value of variance of y hat ppz is equal to variance of y hat ppz. Hence variance of y hat ppz is an unbiased estimate of variance of y hat ppz.